Hey everyone, I'm back, and today I've got another interesting little tutorial sort of video for you guys. So I am going to be reshaping this Barbie's neck hole. As you can see, she had fat head syndrome provided by moi. I did this to her, and it was all because her neck cracked and everything like that. So I'm going to be basically just showing off me shrinking her neck hole down. And she also has a split there, if you can see that. That was from me being too aggressive way back in the day. I got this doll when I was like 17, and that was just me being way too aggressive and ripping her head off. And if you're too aggressive, that's what can happen. So as you can hear, my water is on. And it's boiling. And someone mentioned online, they were like, the reason that it reshapes is because plastic, specifically soft vinyls like this, has a memory sort of technology to it, so it remembers its original form. So that's why it reshapes. So in she goes. So now I will come back when the water is all cooled off and she is shrunk back down. Okay, I am back, and as you can see, the water is cold, so I'm actually going to take her out. Her head's very squishy. As you can see, that has shrunk down, and all the hair plugs in her head have actually faded a little bit. Like you see, those ones right there have faded a little bit, and her hair plugs in the front, it just looks like a line now. So yeah, so I just thought that'd be an interesting little video to show you guys. Sometimes if your Barbie has a chew mark on her hand to where the hand is deformed or something, you can dunk the hand in boiling water, and because of the hand's original form that it previously had, it will reshape automatically depending on how major or minor the damage is. So like a lot of times with cat, like chew marks from a cat, those chew marks are so sharp and intense that those won't reshape all the way. They'll definitely make a drastic improvement. So like, but if you have like a little kid that chewed on the doll's hand and deformed it or something, you can definitely change it back to its original form almost. It will still have little gnaw marks on it, but it won't be deformed anymore. And just like this doll, she no longer has fat head syndrome. I can go ahead and attempt to glue this back together. She actually has two splits. She has one, a little one right there. There we go. She has a tiny little one there and a giant one there. But yeah, she will be getting rerouted. She's actually a Fairytopia doll. And she will be receiving this hair right here. So this is not the original hair color that she had, but it's actually a lot more vibrant than her original hair was. So I'm definitely excited to give that to her, and I freshly boil washed it, so it's ready to go and ready to be rooted into her head. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.